All right, Spec Riders, welcome back to another edition of our Customer Corner newsletter. I hope everyone's season has been off to a hot start, no weather bothering y'all, and there's clear skies about. This one particularly is going to cover how to include individual line width distances inside of a report. So in case you have a job or just throughout the given season, you're putting down 4-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch line, whatever it may be, you can view those distances on an individual basis. What we'll need to do in order to see that is go to our reports page and then navigate to the templates tab. We will create a custom template in order to see this, so you'll hit new template here, and I'm going to walk you through the one I've already created. So I recommend giving this template a name, something along the lines of distance by line width, or just something that tells you obviously, hey, this is going to break it out individually. Now, the two key metrics that make this possible live in the counter channels and reports tab. They are hiding out just a little bit, so you'll need to scroll down, open the advanced options here, and select skip channels by width and solid channels by width. So once you've done that, make sure you include all the rest of the data points you want to see, in case it's usage, material thickness, application rate, and then order those columns in the sequential order you want to see them. Once you've done that, hit save, and you'll now have that template ready to use for your reports. Whether you do that through Skyview or through the reports page here, I've already created a few examples, but we'll walk through exactly how to include this template in a report. So you'll want to do distance by line width. I'll actually call our report distance by line width just to stick to the example here. We're going to view all of this for yesterday's work. So I'll pick the 29th, get my time frame. And then next, we just pick out the equipment we want to see. Once you filled out the entry fields, hit save, and your report will be generating in the background. Now, I will show you a difference between the actual reports of a standard usage report you can see here and the new template we've actually just created. So if I minimize this, you can see this is going to be the standard usage report template, and you would just see, yellow skip, yellow solid, white skip, white solid. So in the case of those 4, 6, and 8-inch lines, it's just going to aggregate those in for each color and pattern. But now that we've actually created an individual line width report, we're going to see something along the lines of this. So now all of our distances will break out our individual line widths by color and pattern. So you can see in this example yesterday, we had white 6 and white 8-inch skip. So instead of now showing this all as one total, you can view these individually. And it also looks like we had some 6-inch and 8-inch white solid. So these are going to be also broken out individually as well. That's it for this edition of the newsletter. If y'all have any questions about how to run these reports, how to build out these custom templates, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. And as always, y'all, if you ain't spec right, you're just spec wrong. Thanks, everybody.